preview of Chapter 2 for Mastering Your Life. In Chapter 1, we laid the foundations. We looked at how are we looking at our lives and ourselves. In Chapter 2, we're going to start deeply understanding ourselves, our motivations. What is our why? What gives our life meaning? What do we truly, deeply want? And then, as we move along, we're going to then look at the current state. If this is what I want, if this is what I yearn for, if this is my why, then where am I now? We do a reality check. I'm so looking forward to partnering with you on the journey to mastering your life. And remember that at the end of every chapter, in the resource page, you will find exercises, journaling questions, and coaching questions so that you can be your own life coach on this journey of self-mastery. If you're enjoying these videos, please click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click on alerts so that you're always informed when we launch new chapters and videos.